Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a factory reset. Actually, it's very easy. You need to at first enter the Bluetooth mode, so double click this button while your headphones are turned off, this multifunctional one, this middle one, till you hear that you are in the Bluetooth mode. Okay, so once we are in the Bluetooth mode, we can begin. Here you need to hold the multifunctional button, this middle one as I said, and the volume plus buttons for 5 seconds. Remember that this thing won't delete any MP3 files. Now we've got our factory reset done, our headphones should actually restart, and that's it. Bye!